Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and by clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video. Hello everybody, just a quick video here. I was just looking back on the recent legalization of marijuana in Canada, and it's amazing how money can be wiped out in the stock market. And that's why I want us to be careful and have certain guided principles when you're investing in the stock market. And I'm not giving financial advice. I'm not a legal financial advisor in Canada. I used to do it back home in Jamaica, but not now practicing. But the point is, it's just for educational purpose. So that's my disclaimer. You can lose your shirt in the stock market. I'm going to show you the marijuana stocks, a few of them, about four of them I'm going to share with you, and how they have been decimated within a year. I mean, these stocks were flying high one of the time. So that means a lot of people made a lot of money. And while others who were long-term investors were left holding the bag, because those stocks shot up and people made a lot of money when the excitement surrounded legalization. And man, it was euphoria. People were just buying those stocks. They were just going based on no real fundamental principles. Nobody was, these companies were new and people were just buying stocks like crazy because people have money and want to just make money on top of money. And a lot of people do good. But I'm sure some people are crying now because those people who held on to those stocks are crying now, and I'm going to share it with you. So just bear with me as I go to the screen and show you. Yeah, so Aurora skyrocketed to $14, and then there was a downward trend, and today it is at 103. So imagine if you had bought it at $14 and you were holding it for the long term and now that money, if you had invested about $100,000, let's say, today that $100,000 would be turned into about $6,000. That's just ridiculous, So one has got to be very careful when you see you buy a stock and the price is going down. I don't think it's wise to sit and watch it. It's better to count your losses if it's not on the upward path that you were projecting, and come out and salvage some of your money, because no one knows when these stocks will go back up or if they ever will go back. Yeah, no one knows whether these stocks will go back up to previous heights, because this has been a disaster for investors. Let's look at another one. Tilray is another one. Would you believe that Tilray Stock was basically at $300? It went as high as $300. Mercy. Look at where Tilray is today. Look at that. $3. Is it three? $3.90. Coming from an all-time high, I think it was last year when it was legalized, a high of $300. So imagine somebody who went and bought that stock where it was 300. What? Were you hoping that it goes to 4 and 5 and $600? It was ridiculous. And today the stock is at $3. So all of those money that people have invested have been wiped out on the stock market. It's a very dangerous. So I'm learning that if I invest some money, I'm sorry, and that's for me, and I go in the stock market with my money and I see that I lose a certain percentage, maybe say I tolerate 5-10% max, I'm getting out, because if I sit and watch it, you never know, especially new companies like this one. These were new companies coming on. Nobody have any history of them to know what they're capable of, how profitable they'll be. And so you put your money and there's a guy who says count your losses quickly. So as soon as you see this thing going down, I would bail out. It's better to bail out and you lose a $10,000 out of 100, but than to lose $90,000 and be left with $10,000 out of $100,000. That's just how I see it. Not financial advice, but just saying. Yeah. Let's look at another one. Freear. Look at this one. Freear was a stock that went as far as $13, flirting with 14. I think it even went further than that, up to 22, I think. And look at where it is today. Oh my gosh, this is a slaughterhouse. So all the marijuana investors, I'm sure they are regretting putting their money in that market and buy those stocks, because they have been decimated. Their money has been basically wiped out. And as I say, sometimes stocks bounce back, but sometimes it takes a lifetime, and sometimes it never bounces back. Sometimes some companies go bankrupt. I see a lot of the marijuana companies now seem like they're going under. I don't know, just saying, but I have some of the companies are scaling back on their investments. I mean, when they just started, they were buying out places. I mean, they were, trying to get these thousands and millions of places to plant and grow. Now it's no longer. It's like decimated, man. Oh my God, it's a total fiasco for those who invested and hold on to the stocks, hoping that they would be profitable and they would bounce back and they would make some money. Only the early birds catch the worm. Only the early people make the money. But people who went in it and decide that they're going to hold out, I am sorry for them. Here's another one, Canopy Growth. This one, I remember it was flirting with $70. 70, as high as $70. Now today the stock is about $14. Yeah, $14. It's just crazy. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Here's another one, Hexo. It went as high as $11, and that's just last year, March. And right now, where is the stock? The stock is at 107. It's just crazy, man. Crazy, crazy. So yeah, it's very disheartening when people invest their money and these things happen. But that is the risk that we take when we put our money in the stock market and we decide to be long-term investors, because sometimes when you hold on to these stocks and you're not getting a dividend, or you're not getting, you don't even know where these companies are gonna go, because as I said before, it is a new industry and there was a lot of hype. A lot of people took advantage of the hype. And I remember one guy on BNN Bloomberg say, you're gonna lose all your money. And I think that's exactly what is gonna happen, because some of the stocks that were like $4 or $5 are now a penny under $1. Like one stock, Namaste, I don't have it here, but that one, Alethea, a lot of them have been just decimated. You know, people have just lost money left, right, and center. So, people, be careful how you put your money in the market. Be careful how you decide that you're going to watch your money burn. My principle is, as of now, from learning from that experience, even though I came out early, but my principle now is whenever you make some profit, take it. Don't be afraid to take your profit. Or if when you go in, you start losing and you lose a certain percentage. Let's say you put $100,000 in and you lose 5,000. You may have said, no man, I'm not gonna come. I want to get back my 5,000. No, it's better to keep the 95,000. Trust me, than for you to watch it go to 94, 90, 93, 92, 90, 80. You're not coming out. No, I'm staying in. I want back the money that I lost. Okay, here we go. 70, still not coming out. 60, 50. Oh boy, it will come back one day. And you know, you watch your money that $100,000 turn to $6,000 and you never hop out. As far as I'm concerned, it's better to hop out and take a loss, count your losses early, than hold on and stay in the market until you lose almost all of your money, you know, because it does happen. Anyway, I hope that you learned something from this. We talk about every subject on this channel, so stay tuned. We talk about God, we talk about life, we talk about Jamaica, we talk about Canada, talk about everything, you know? So, you all take care now. God bless. Bye-bye.